Hello students, in last lecture we studied two examples and product of a vectors. There are two types of product of a vectors. First is scalar product, that is dot product, and another is vector product, that is cross product. And the concept, that is angle between two vectors. There are acute angle and obtuse angle. We will get acute angle and obtuse angle. That means at the end of the, we have the value of a theta, it is lies between 0 to pi. This is the point for the remember, that is value of a theta is always lies between 0 to pi, that is 0 to 180. If we have to find out the value of a theta, then remember this, the value of a theta, we have to get the value of a theta is between 0 to 180. If we get answer above 180, then that is wrong. So remember this. Now today we study first product of a vector, that is scalar product. Scalar product of vectors. Now what is the scalar product of a vector? If there are two vectors a bar and b bar, if there are two vectors a bar and b bar, then their scalar product can be denoted by dot, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar, this is the magnitude of a bar, into magnitude of b bar into cos theta. This is the formula of scalar product, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar into cos theta. How we get this formula? This is you studied in physics, so we can't express this, what is how we get a bar and b bar. You have to remember just this formula, that is a bar in mathematics. For the examination you have to know only this formula, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar into cos theta. Now there are some notes on this product. That notes are very important for the CET and JEE examination. First note, if a bar is equal to 0 and b bar is equal to 0, we have a bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar and mod of b bar into cos theta. If a bar is equal to 0 and b bar also 0 vector, then what is the value of theta? Then what is the inclination? It is not defined. Then the inclination between a bar and b bar, it is not defined. Then in this case we usually use a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. In this case we use a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. We can't get a bar on this 0 because this is a scalar product, and after the multiplication of a bar and b bar we get a scalar. We studied this concept in examples, so you understand this clearly in examples. So a bar dot b bar is equal to 0 we take in this condition, if a bar is equal to 0 and b bar is equal to 0. This is our first note. Now second note, if theta is equal to 0, here if theta is equal to 0, then here if we put theta is equal to 0, then here we get cos theta. And what is the cos 0? Then what is the value of a cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So here its value is 1. If its value is 1, then we get a bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar. This is our second note. Now third note, theta is equal to pi, pi means 180, degree 180. If here value of a theta is pi, then it will be cos pi. And what is the value of a cos pi? That is -1. So in this case, a bar dot b bar is equal to minus of mod of a bar mod of b bar if theta is equal to pi. This is our third note. Then fourth note, if theta is equal to pi by 2, pi by 2 means angle is 90 degree. If their angle is 90 degree, then there is cos 90. And what is the value of a cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. So this value is 0. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0. This is a very important note. That is, if theta is pi by 2, theta is pi by 2, that means inclination between a bar and b bar is pi by 2. Inclination between a bar and b bar is pi by 2. That means a bar and b bar are perpendicular. So this is the condition for a perpendicular. If there are two vectors, a bar and b bar are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Remember this note. What is? If vector a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. This is very important note. Now next is note 5th. Fifth note, if there is a multiplication, here is the distributive law, we use here distributive law. If there is a addition of two vectors and we have to get multiplication, that is dot product with the another vector, then what is its value? Here a bar is equal to, here a bar dot b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c. Or if we multiply here m a bar into n b bar, then we have to multiply m and n. This is, we get mn a bar dot b bar. We first multiply the scalars and then we multiply the vectors. Then if there is a, or this is a scalar multiplication on left side, or we multiply this is on right side, a bar dot b bar into m. This is also similar. This is our fifth note. And our sixth note is, if mod of a bar dot b bar, if mod of a bar dot b bar is less than or equal to, mod of a bar dot b bar is less than or equal to mod of a bar dot mod of b bar. Before multiplication or dot product of a bar and b bar, we will get the dot product of a bar and b bar, and then we find out the modulus of this. Then this value is less than of this. This is called as a Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. This is very important. This is used in JEE. So this is also important note. So remember this note and this note. What is this note? If two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0, and this is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Now next is angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors. We know that theta is the angle between two vectors. Suppose theta is the angle between two vectors, and we have to find out the theta. Now we know by using scalar product a bar dot b bar, if there is a two vectors a bar and b bar, then what is its dot product? It is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar cos theta. So if we wanted to find out the angle between two vectors, so we modify this formula, that is, so then cos theta is equal to, this is multiply, so divide here, that is a bar dot b bar upon mod of a bar into mod of b bar. This is the formula for angle between two vectors. If you wanted to find out the angle between two vectors, then you use this formula, that is cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon mod of a bar into mod of b bar. Now some note on that point. What is first note? If theta is equal to 0, here if theta is equal to 0, then its value is 0. Then a bar dot b bar is 0. Theta is equal to 0, sorry, if theta is equal to 0, then its value theta is equal to 1, so here we multiply, or if theta is equal to pi by 2, so cos theta is pi by 2, then its value is 0, and if we multiply this into 0, then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Then if whenever theta is equal to pi by 2, then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. This is our first note. Second, if theta is lies between 0 to pi by 2, if theta is lies between 0 to pi by 2, then theta is in first quadrant. If theta is lies between 0 to pi by 2, then theta lies in first quadrant. And is first quadrant, what is cos? In first quadrant, cos is positive. So value of a cos theta, is greater than 0 in this case, if theta is lies between 0 to pi by 2. Now what is third note? If theta is lies between pi by 2 to pi, if theta is lies between 90 degree to 180 degree, if 90 degree to 180 degree, then cos theta is in second quadrant, then theta is in second quadrant. And in here 0, here pi by 2 and here pi, if theta is in pi by 2 to pi, so it is in second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative, so here cos theta, value of a cos theta is less than 0, and here value of a cos theta is equal to 0. So if theta is equal to pi by 2, then value of a cos theta is 0. If value of a theta is lies in 0 to pi by 2, in between this, then value of a cos theta is positive, and theta is lies between this plane, so here cos theta is less than 0. Then next, note, that is, here dot product of two unit vectors, that is I cap dot I cap. If we multiply I cap dot I cap, then its value is 1. If we multiply j cap dot j cap, then its also value is 1. And k cap dot k cap, its value is also 1. So I cap into I cap, multiplication of vector with itself of dot product, then it becomes 1. And I cap dot j cap, it is equal to 0. J cap dot k cap, it is also 0. Or k cap dot I cap, it is also 0. Or opposite, that is j cap into I cap 0, k cap into j cap 0, I cap into k cap 0. You have to remember this note also. That is I cap into I cap is j cap, k cap, k cap. Its value is 1. And if there are two opposite, that is I cap, k cap, k cap, I cap, then it is 0. Its dot product is 0. You have to remember this. So this formula and this point, you have to remember these 2 points. Now, how we get the dot product? How we multiply the dot product? If A bar is equal to, A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and B bar is equal to, B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. If A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and B bar is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, then A bar dot B bar is equal to, we have to get multiplied, that is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap dot B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap is equal to. Now we multiply these two. Let's firstly multiply this term into this bracket, then this term into this bracket, then this term into this bracket. Now we multiply this one. A1 into B1 I cap into I cap. A1 B1 I cap. But the value of I cap that is 1. So here we get A1 B1 plus. Now we multiply this A1 B1 to this term, that is A1 B2 I cap j cap, but I cap j cap is 0, so A1 B2 into 0, that we get this term is 0. Now we multiply this into third term. If there is a A1 B3 I cap k cap, but I cap k cap is 0, so here A1 B3 also 0. Now get second term. We multiply this second term into this bracket. A2 into B1 I cap j cap is 0, so this term also neglected. A2 B2 j cap is 1, so here is A2 B2 plus. Now A2 j cap B3 k cap, j cap and k cap is 0, so this also neglected. Now third term, A3 k cap multiplied by this bracket. A3 B1 k cap I cap 0, k cap j cap 0, k cap k cap is 1, so here A3 B3. So what is the multiplication of A bar dot B bar or scalar product? How we multiply this? That is here, observe this A1 B1, that is I cap B1. That is, it is the coefficient of I cap. It is the coefficient of j cap. It is the coefficient of k cap. If we want to multiply two vectors, then multiply the similar scalars, similar coefficients of I cap, j cap, k cap, and add these scalars. For example, if there is a bar is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, and B bar is equal to 4 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap, and we have to find out A bar dot B bar, then we multiply 4 into this coefficient, that is 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 3, 3, and add this, that will be 11. It's so simple. That is A bar dot B bar is equal to 11. This is the dot product. How we get dot product? Multiplication of I cap, j cap, k cap, and add this. This is scalar product. Now, if A bar dot B bar is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Then we know the formula cos theta is equal to, that is A bar dot B bar upon mod of A bar mod of B bar. Then this formula becomes, here A bar dot B bar is equal to this. So we place the value of A bar dot B bar, that is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 divided by, what is the modulus of A bar? Modulus of A bar, so we have to take its modulus, that is square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into root of, now mod of B bar. Then mod of B bar, what is mod of B bar? So we have to take a square root of this and square, that is B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. This is the formula. That is cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar upon mod of A bar mod of B bar, or A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 divided by root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. So out of this all, you just have to remember one condition, that is if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product is 0, that is A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. This is first. Second, multiplication I cap dot I cap is J cap dot J cap and K cap dot K cap is 1, and or it is different, that is IK, JK, KI, then it is 0. And you have to remember this formula, cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar mod of B bar, which is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 divided by root of this. This is the magnitude. This is the note of angle between two vectors. Now next point is projection.